Hey there! Ever wondered why some landing pages convert like magic, why others just don't? Let's break it down, simply and quickly. A landing page isn't just another web page. It's your visitor's first impression, the moment that decides whether they'll become your next customer. Step 1. Your headline. Keep it clear, bold, and benefit-driven. People should know exactly what they'll get within 3 seconds of landing on your page. Next up, visuals and your call to action. Use clean design, high-quality images, and one clear goal. Don't confuse your visitors. Guide them toward that single action you want them to take. At StartDesigns, we build landing pages that don't just look good, they perform. Every element is optimized for conversion, from loading speed to colors to button placement. Our process focuses on user experience, trust, and storytelling. The small but powerful details that make people click, stay, and buy. So if you're planning your next campaign or product launch, make sure your landing page does the hard work for you. Want a high-converting landing page like this? Visit StartDesigns, link below. Let's turn your clicks into customers.